Hey folks, we're just going to do a quick little video here to talk about how to sketch your own parabola. And so this is when you are provided with a bunch of different information about the parabola, but you actually have to draw it yourself. Previously we have seen parabolas where you had to find this information, but now we're going to go vice versa, where I give you the information and you need to draw me a parabola. The information you could get might look a little bit different every time you do it, but let's go through each example here to help you out. I'm going to start with my vertex. My vertex is going to be in blue. The vertex here is at 3, -4, so I'm going to go down to 3, -4 and put a dot. Next, we are looking at our x-intercepts. X-intercepts are going to be in green. My x-intercepts are 1, 0, that's this one right here, and 5, 0, that's this one right here. We can now pretty well see where this is going to, the shape that this is going to take, but let's keep going. I have a y-intercept at 0, 5. I'm going to do that one in orange, so let's draw that up here. 0, 5. And finally, I have been told that it opens up. We remember that a parabola can either open up or open down. If it opens up, it's going to look like a U, and you can pretty well see that this is going to look like a U as well. So let's go ahead and draw that here. Good, you want to keep it as nice and smooth as possible. While you're still new to drawing parabolas, they might look a little bit shaky, and that's totally fine. Okay, let's take a look at our second example here. We have two x-intercepts. Again, I'm going to do x-intercepts in green. My x-intercepts here are at -2, 0 and -6, 0. I have been told that I have an axis of symmetry, at x is equal to -4. So that means that I have this vertical line here that is halfway down my parabola. So I'm just going to draw my dotted line. So I know that that's going to be the halfway point. I have also been told that my min-max value is at y is equal to 4. That is, remember, my horizontal line. That is either the minimum or the maximum of my parabola. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that here at y is equal to 4. Okay, this then tells us that this spot right here, that is going to be our vertex. Our vertex is when the axis of symmetry and the min-max value intersect. So that is going to be our vertex. I also know that it opens down, so I'm looking for an N shape. Okay, we can see that pretty clearly. This is my vertex, these are my 2 points. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sketch this here. Good. Okay. Again, you just want to try to keep it as smooth as possible. We do not want 2 straight lines. Let's do example number 3. I have a vertex at -2, 1 here. So I'm going to find that point, -2, 1. That is my vertex. I have my 2 x-intercepts at -1, 0. and -3, 0. I have a y-intercept at 0, -3, 0, -3 is down here. And my parabola opens down, so it is going to be shaped like an N. We can already see it taking shape here. And let's go this way. Good. And finally, we have parabola number 4. Parabola number 4 has 2 x-intercepts at -3, 0 and 5, 0. My axis of symmetry is over the value x is equal to 1, so I'm going to draw a ruler here. X is equal to 1. My min max value is at y is equal to -4, so I'm going to draw that here. Okay, and we remember that our vertex is where those two lines meet. So my vertex is going to be right here. And I also know that this opens up. Here, let me just add these colors here. It opens up, it is going to be shaped like a U, and we can already tell that it is being shaped like a U because of where the x-intercepts and the vertex are. I can already see that taking shape. So let's go ahead and let's sketch that out. Okay, and there you have it.